16 inches wide, but by the time you take off the face frame, the inside hole will be 13. So we can get a single trash can pull out sideways in there, so it'll be a single. If it was a little wider, we could get a double in here, but we can't. So we have to turn it and get a single. And then what debates a 50 or 35 quart? If there's a drawer box here, we can do a 35 quart. If there's no drawer box in this new cabinet, we can do a 50 quart or taller. But we're gonna make it 50 because they're gonna have a single pull out. So add in new end peninsula cabinet. Okay, so we'll bid that. Okay. Okay, so we got that.